Welcome back here with the news on headlines today. Some news just coming in. BJP workers have started a protest against Akbaruddin Owaisi, the MIM MLA from Andhra Pradesh, who's accused of delivering a hate speech and inciting violence against a certain community. Hundreds of workers assembled on the streets in Nizamabad. BJP leaders also held protests at various places across the state demanding action against Owaisi. The BJP and Telugu Desam party leaders demanded that Owaisi should be disqualified for his hateful comments. Senior BJP leaders claimed that the state government is going soft on Owaisi, keeping in mind vote bank politics.
So far, no action has been taken. Why they have not arrested the MLA and he landed in Hyderabad today in the midst of big fanfare and all? They should explain. Oh, even today, the Congress is soft on Majlis party because Congress and Majlis are working together in Hyderabad Corporation.
Alright, in fact, more news related to that. Despite the video evidence of Akbaruddin Owaisi's hate speech targeting a particular community, the Andhra Pradesh police seems to be giving him a long rope. The cops are yet to arrest the MLA who has now used the health problem ploy to evade appearing before the police in Adilabad. While Akbaruddin Owaisi has sought 4 days' time to appear before the police, the state police brass seem undecisive and are yet to take any formal stand against him.
15 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया गया है। मैं आप लोगों के माध्यम से ये बताना चाहता हूं कि जो भी इसको वायलेट करेंगे उनके खिलाफ पुलिस सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी, उनको अरेस्ट करेगी। थैंक यू। व्हाट अबाउट अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी? आज उनको यहां आने का नोटिस इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर ने दिया था, अभी तक वो नहीं आए हैं।
My colleague Mithila Chanduri has been keeping track of all the developments. He joins us on the phone line from Hyderabad. Is the police considering conducting medical checkups on Akbaruddin Owaisi before deciding whether he'll be given 4 days' time to appear before them, Mridula?
That's in fact right, Padmaja. What we are getting to hear now is that a team of doctors is being sent by the Adilabad police to come and visit Akbaruddin Owaisi and assess his health condition for themselves. Because the lawyers of Akbaruddin Owaisi who had gone to Nirmal police station and submitted a medical report, had submitted a private medical report citing his ill health and his inability to travel to Nirmal. And that's why they bought 4 days of time. But the police of Adilabad is likely to come, in fact, bring with it a team of doctors. Sometime today is what we are getting to hear, and they will check up Akbaruddin Owaisi and then represent the same to their higher officials. And based on that, we are told either they will give Akbaruddin Owaisi the time he sought, or if they are not satisfied with the report of the medical department, then they may choose to ask him to anyway visit the police station to record his statement.